Question number 2 of exercise 11.2. Construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 cm from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 cm and the measure its length. Also verify the measurement by actual calculation. So it means in this question, students, first of all we have to draw a circle of radius 4 cm. So we are going to draw a circle with radius 4 centimeter. So in figure, this is a circle with radius 4 centimeter. Now again we have to draw one more circle with the same center. It means center will be same. Concentric circles means circles with same center but different radii. Now again by taking this one as center and we have to draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter. Let us draw another circle with radius 6 centimeter. So this is the another circle whose radius is 6 centimeter. Now we have to take a point on the boundary of the outer circle because we are asked to draw tangent to this one inner circle from a point which lies on concentric circles. So let us assume the point is here and I am naming this point as P and this is the center of the circle. So for inner circle, point P is exterior point. It means we have to construct the tangents as we have done in question 1. Again, the first step of the question, join O to P. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of OP. So this is the perpendicular bisector of OP. Let this bisector intersects OP at point O dash. Now taking O dash as radius, we have to mark two arcs on our inner circle. So we can mark these arcs like this one and this one. So these are the desired arcs and we can name them as PA and PB. Now we have to join P to A and P to B. So PA and PB are required tangents. Again in question, we are also asked to measure the length of these tangents and also verify it by actual calculation. So to verify by actual calculation, we have to join O to A and we know that the angle between the radius and the tangent at the point of contact is of 90 degree. So triangle OAP is a right angle triangle and in this triangle, in right triangle OAP, OA is given to us and this was the radius of the inner circle. It was given to us as 4 centimeter and OP, this was the radius of the outer circle. This was given to us this one. So by Pythagoras theorem, in triangle OAP, we can find the length AP is equal to OP square minus OA square under the root. So it will be 6 square minus 4 square under the root. It will be 36 minus 16 and it will be under root 20 and root 20 means 2 root 5 centimeter. Similarly, from triangle BOP we can find the length of BP. Similarly, BP is equal to 2 root 5 centimeter. Now we are asked to verify it by actual calculation and by measuring from the figure. So let us measure its length. So from figure, length of tangent AP, PA is 4.5 centimeter approximately, and BP is also 4.5 centimeter approximately. So students, when we measure the length from the figure and when we find it by actual calculation, remember all these lengths must be same. Also, the value of root 5 is 2.23 approximately. So when we multiply it by 2.23, it will be 4.46, and which is very near to 4.5 approximately. Hence verified. Question number 3 of 11.2. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 centimeter from its center. Draw tangents to the circle from these 2 points P and Q. So again students, first of all we have to draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. So let us draw a circle with radius 3 centimeter first of all. Now this is a circle. Now we have to mark 2 points P and Q such that the distance of each point is 7 centimeter from the center on the same diameter. So it means this one is the diameter of the circle. Let us draw a diameter of this circle. So on this line we have to take two points such that each point is at a distance of 7 centimeter from the center of the circle. So here I am marking the first point which is at a distance of 7 centimeter from the center of the circle. So first point is this, and similarly here also we have to mark a point which is at a distance of 7 centimeter from the center of the circle. Let us name these points as P and Q. Again we have to join these 2 points with the center, or you can say these 2 points are exterior points for our circle. So the first step is again join O to P, मीनिंग एक्सटीरियर पॉइंट को हम सेंटर से ज्वाइन करेंगे. सेम इज फॉर पॉइंट क्यू. वी हैव टू ज्वाइन, and this was already joined because we have drawn a diameter. Again we have to do the same construction tangent to a circle from exterior point. Means again we have to draw perpendicular bisector of OQ. We can draw the perpendicular bisector. So this is the perpendicular bisector of OQ. Now taking this point as O dash and O dash as radius, meaning O dash जितना हमें radius लेना है, and we have to mark 2 arcs on our circle, and these arcs intersects our circle at point S and point R. Let us join QS and QR. So QS and QR are two tangents drawn from point Q, or we can say from other end of the circle. Similarly, we have to follow the same steps for the point P. Again, we have to draw perpendicular bisector of OP. Let this point be O double dash. Now taking O double dash as center and O double dash O as radius, we have to mark two arcs on our circle. So PT and this point is U. So PT and PU are the tangents from point P. Let us join P to U. So PT and PU are tangents from point P, and QS and QR are the tangents from point Q. Question number 4. Draw a pair of tangent to a circle of radius 5 cm which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. So it means in this question, let us draw a rough figure first of all. This is the circle, suppose. And we have to draw two tangents to our circle such that the angle between the tangents, it means this one angle is given. Let us this point mark as P, O as center and tangents as PT and PU. So angle TPU is given and this angle is given to us of a 60 degree. And we have studied that the sum of the angle between the tangent and some angle between the radii is 180 डिग्री, मीनिंग इन दोनों एंगल्स का सम जो है वो 180 डिग्री है. ये प्रॉपर्टी हमने चैप्टर 10 में पढ़ी है. तो बाय दिस प्रॉपर्टी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड द मेजर ऑफ एंगल ओ, सेंट्रल एंगल को हमें फाइंड करना है. सो हेयर दिस एंगल विल बी ऑफ 180 minus 60 is equal to 120 degree. So what we have to write, angle between tangents is 60 degree. So angle at the center between two radii (180 minus 60 is equal to 120 डिग्री. मीनिंग इसके कंस्ट्रक्शन के लिए हमें जो है वो सेंट्रल का एंगल मालूम होना चाहिए. इफ सेंट्रल एंगल इज नॉट गिवन देन वी विल फाइंड इट. समटाइम्स ये सेंट्रल एंगल ही गिवन होता है, सो यू हैव टू डू द कंस्ट्रक्शन केयरफुली. नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, again the radius for the circle is given and radius of the circle is 5 centimeter. So first of all we have to draw a circle with radius 5 centimeter. Circle and O is the center of the circle. For the next step students, first of all we have to draw a radius in this circle. Let OA be the radius of this circle. We can mark any point on the boundary of the circle and join it with the center. You will get its radius. Now central angle is 120 degrees. So at point O and we have to draw an angle of 120 degree. So we can draw the angle of 120 degree at O very easily. So this first arc is of 60 degree and next arc with same radius. Now we will join it and extend, produce it such that it intersects the circle, and let this point be B. Now we are having 2 points on the boundary of the circle A and B. It means we have to draw two tangent on these 2 points. So we will construct angle of 90 degree at these 2 points. So let us join it. Similarly, we will draw an angle of 90 degree at B also. And both of the tangent intersect at point P. It can be like this also. Now this one angle automatically will be of 60 degree. Hence AP and BP are required tangents. The point where the two tangents intersect each other, you will mark that point as P. And these two angles are of 90 degree each, and the central angle was of 120 degree, and we get this angle as 60 degree automatically. Question number 5. Draw a line segment AB of length 8 cm. Taking A as center, draw a circle of radius 4 cm, and taking B as center, draw another circle of radius 3 cm. Construct tangents to each circle from the center of the other circle. So let us understand this question first of all. First of all, it means in this question we have to draw a line segment AB like this, and this line is of length 8 cm. Now we have to take this point as center and we have to draw a circle of radius 4 cm like this. And in second step we have to take B as center and we have to draw a circle of radius 3 cm, and second circle will be like this. And now we are having in this figure two circles. See, for the circle with center A point, B is exterior point, and for the circle with center B, point A is exterior point. Again the construction is same as we have done in our previous questions. तो it means पहले हम फर्स्ट सर्कल पर सर्कल्स को ड्रॉ करेंगे फ्रॉम पॉइंट बी, एंड उसके लिए ए से बी को यू हैव टू ज्वाइन, एंड इट इज़ ऑलरेडी ज्वाइंट. तो फॉर नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज to draw the perpendicular bisector of AB, and it will be like this. And now taking this point as center and this one as radius, we have to mark two arcs and we will join it with B. Similarly from this also. Let us start the question now. I am going to draw a line segment of length 8 centimeter, and this I am naming as A and B. Now taking A as center, we have to draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter, and taking B as center, we have to draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. So here I am going to draw my first circle. And now taking B as center, we have to draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Our next step is to join the center of circle with the exterior point, and it is already joined. So we have to draw perpendicular bisector of AB. With same radius, we have to mark two arcs again. Now joining these arcs, we get that perpendicular bisector intersects AB at O. It will touch your first one circle. Now taking O as center and OA as radius, we have to mark two arcs on our first circle. And for the second circle also, we have to mark two arcs with same radius. Now we have to join and we will get two tangents. Now the arcs of first circle will be joined with point B, because on first circle we are drawing the tangents from the center of the another circle. So B is the center of our second circle. Now we get BR and BS. Similarly, the arcs drawn on second circle will be joined with their point of intersection with the center of first circle, and let this be AE and AF. So AE, AF, BR and BS are required tangents.